Hi, I'm Molly,
And I'm Nicole Hodgson.
and our experiment is fire writing. Who knew fire writing was possible?
Due to science, it is. In our experiment, we will show you what reactions can occur when combining just a flame, a chemical, and porous paper. To start off with our experiment, you'll need the safety features first and specific materials. The equipment and materials used are safety goggles, a large sheet of porous paper to write on, a paintbrush, tape to hang the paper, matches, a candle, wooden splints, and potassium nitrate. As you can see, my partner is hanging the paper up. We are both going to start the reaction by lighting the wooden splint.
Okay, so we'll go there.
Potassium nitrate is very flammable due to the potassium combined with the nitrate. Potassium itself is very flammable, and as you can see, the potassium nitrate is in its liquid state of matter, which means it is soluble.
The reason we had lit the paper now is because it takes a long time for potassium nitrate to react with the porous paper. Here are the steps actually taken to start the fire writing process. First, the experiment calls for 100 milliliters of potassium nitrate, but we had to scale ours down to 50 milliliters just to conserve some potassium nitrate. To start off, you scale in a 50 milliliter beaker. After that, you take a paintbrush or a cotton swab to the paper, which the message will need to dry.
We had already come in earlier to provide a message written on the porous paper, so that way the drying process would not take as long, and it would just show the message.
Next, what you would do is take a match and light the wooden splint. If that match does not light the splint, we have a candle present to provide as a backup.
As you can see, taking this wooden splint to the porous paper induces a flame reaction. This is caused by the potassium nitrate because it's very flammable. When temperature increases, the solubility of the potassium nitrate increased as well, which caused the flame reaction. The message is almost done revealing itself.
During the experiment, we had hypothesized, due to the experiment in the hood, the air in the hood would affect the flame being produced to light the porous paper. The theory states that potassium nitrate is an oxidizing agent that burns and explodes with other organic compounds. This room is full of them due to us breathing and the flame being produced. Potassium nitrate being an oxidizing agent allows reactions to the porous paper due to the temperature rising in the glowing splint. Since potassium nitrate is in its soluble form, it induces a higher temperature, which causes the flame. Thus, theory shows that potassium nitrate burning the splint causes a flame reacts with the paper.
Alright, our message that was originally on the paper was UMU, and as you can see, the potassium nitrate had reacted with the flame due to the temperature increase.
Potassium nitrate is used in the real world it is used in explosives and in gunpowder. It can be found in food preservatives, also in some fertilizers because it dissolves at a faster rate. It is found in some toothpaste to make teeth less sensitive to pain while brushing, and is also found in medicine for back pain and joint pain. We got our sources from Buzzle.com and potassiumnitrate.org. That is how to fire write.